A common maths problem is finding the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple of two numbers. Now, if we're doing both of these things at once, the best thing to use is a Venn diagram. So let me show you how this works. What we have is we have our sets for A and B, and what we need to decide is what's going to go in the intersection of A and B, because that's going to help me my highest common factor, and what's going to be in the whole section. So let's work out what's going to go in the intersection. Well, A has 2 cubed and B has 2 squared. So what that means is that they're both going to contain 2 squared, and A has got 1 extra 2, so that's going to be left over. So here we can see that B still has 2 squared, which is what it needs, and A has the 2 squared and an extra 2. Here we can see that the inverse is happening with the 3s. There's a 3 squared in the middle, but B is going to have a 3 left over. And then we look, we've got a 5 and a 7 for A, and we've got a 7 and an 11. So they both contain a 7, so that's going to have to go in the middle. For A, there's going to be a 5, and for B, there's going to be an 11. Now, how does this help me with the question? The highest common factor of a number is, well, it's common. It's got to be in both. So the highest common factor for A and B would be what's in the middle. So that's going to be 2 squared times 3 squared times 7. The lowest common multiple, well, the lowest common multiple is whatever is in either A or B. So we have to combine both of these together. So I've got a 2 squared and another 2. So that's going to be 2 cubed. I've got 3 squared and another 3. So that's going to be 3 cubed. Then I have a 5. I've got a 7. And I've got an 11. That would be the solution. And if you need help with more topics like this, you can find us at 6 Towns Tuition.